My advice for future Signify interns would be to always come to work willing to take on new challenges. In my experience, Signify has many places of growth and development because of how much trust is put on interns.
So whether that's a project or an area of business that you're interested in, talk to your manager about it. See what you can do, see how you can get involved. Taking initiative is such a great way to meet new people within the organization and get yourself out there and really build and grow your skills.
Whenever I was in conversations with my managers, whether they were just talking about projects that they're involved in or maybe just were telling me about what the future is looking like, I would always end our conversations with, how can I help? Because for me, I think it's so important to get the most out of your internship and not just focus your attention on doing the normal tasks that are being asked of you, but instead to try to expand your horizons and really just try to take it all in and learn as much as you possibly can.